So in the question we have alpha, beta and gamma. So in the question we have the coefficients of linear expansion, areal expansion and volume expansion of a solid is given by the equation 2 alpha plus 2 beta is to 3 beta plus 4 gamma. We need to find what this is equal to. First we'll write what all we know. So beta is we'll write these terms in terms of alpha. So this is already in alpha. We need to convert this and this in terms of alpha. We know beta is equal to 2 times of alpha and gamma is equals to 3 alpha. We'll substitute this now. So 2 alpha plus 2 into beta is 2 times 2 alpha. 2 is nothing but divided by 3. Beta is 2 times alpha plus 3 into gamma is 3 alpha. So from all of these terms we can take, this is 4. From all of these terms we can take 2 alpha common. 2 alpha, 1 plus 2 by 2 alpha, 3 plus 6. 2 alpha and 2 alpha will get cancelled. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. So 3 ones, 3 threes. So their ratio is 1:3. So the option is C.